Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery in this 2007 Volkswagen Rabbit is under the hood and it's in a box. So before we can replace the battery in a vehicle like this, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project. You have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive as we replace the battery. With our gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to remove the battery box cover. Next, loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need your 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Now we can loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable and remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal and any accessory wiring out of the way. The next step is to remove the thermal blanket. Now we can remove the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need your 13mm wrench for that. And remove the bracket. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle and install the replacement battery. Next, reinstall the protective thermal blanket. And reinstall the hold-down bracket. And retighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener to the proper specifications. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and retighten the fastener to the proper specification. And finally, reinstall the battery box cover. And we're done.